Hello everyone and welcome back to Wealth Guide. Everyone wants to make money, however it's not always possible to find a job that suits all your demands. But in this digital age, that's no problem at all. Internet often provides you with a variety of job options to choose from, and most of these are very easy and don't require a lot of investment. Plus, these jobs come with the extra benefit of flexible hours and liberty to work from the comfort of your own home. Landing these jobs are also very easy. Just by putting a little bit of effort, you can have an online job. In this video, we'll talk about 20 best ways to make money from home. Stay tuned to the very end and see for yourself what we have in store for you. Number 20, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is when you take the inventory of a certain company and ship it to a third-party retailer. Many people have taken advantage of this modern-day career and have used it to earn. It is simple once you get the hang of it and can pay you quite a handsome amount. This can take a while to turn a profit, but it is definitely worth it. Dropshipping does require a bit of your time, so keep that in mind if you want to start this kind of work. Number 19, become a freelance writer. Do you like writing? Being a writer is a great freelance career to have. There are endless types of writing you can do, from transcriptions to technical to ebook writer. The possibilities extend as far as your skill and imagination. These jobs can actually pay a lot, so it is a good career to look into. You can create gigs that offer to write a story for someone or write your own content and sell it. Any way you choose, being a writer can earn you some big cash. Number 18, start a blog. Everywhere you look on the internet, you'll find a blog. Did you know that you can make money? Yep, and they are easy to set up too. So consider running your own blog. You can use websites like WordPress to start out. You can then find affiliate programs such as the one by Amazon and advertise their products on your blog site. Every purchase via your blog post means a commission to you. It isn't quick cash or highly lucrative, but it is good if you need some extra change now and then. Number 17, become a photographer. You may see photography as just a hobby, but it can be a great full-time career. You can advertise your photography services from home. You can use ads or posts to Facebook groups. Many people want photos taken during weddings, graduations, and birthdays, so keep that in mind when setting a schedule. You can earn hundreds of dollars per gig, so a few gigs a month can earn you a living. Number 16, become a graphic designer. Graphic design is a great career for freelancing. You can be your own boss and start selling your services online. People are always on the lookout for logo designers, business card designers, flyer designers, and more. You can advertise your service on sites like Fiverr. Customers will want to see what your style is, so have a portfolio ready. Expand your knowledge with your applications and become more reputable to gain newer clients and boost your sales. Number 15, become an Airbnb host. Hotels have some new competition with Airbnb. If you have a second house or a spare room, try renting it out for Airbnb. This can earn you thousands of dollars a month if you have a great photo and nice amenities advertised on your page. You can start small with a single room, then once you earn enough, you can buy a second house and start earning big. This is a great online job that many people have been considering. Number 14, become a transcriptionist. Transcriptionist jobs are everywhere on the web. You can even advertise a freelance transcriptionist gig on sites like Fiverr. Being a transcriptionist requires a great listening skill and high amounts of concentration. Listen to recording and write them down according to standard templates. After you get the hang of the mechanics and grammar, it becomes a simple job, and you can do it from home. Check out websites like Transcribe Me for great flexible work. Number 13, social media manager. Companies and influencers are always on the lookout for someone that can help manage their online presence. With this at-home job, you can get paid a lot. You just need to understand how social media works and how to advertise either products or people. It is simple, but the thing is, it takes up a lot of your time. You will be posting updates, posting stories, and possibly replying to direct messages. It may sound tedious, but it is definitely worth the pay. Number 12, become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants hold many tasks, from answering phone calls to helping with travel plans. These tasks are usually simple and don't require any prerequisites. These jobs are popular with the work-at-home crowd. Being a virtual assistant requires a stable internet connection and good people skills. If you can work well with customers and don't mind putting in some time and effort, this may be the job for you. Number 11, become a virtual receptionist. Receptionists can also work from home. A virtual receptionist is similar to a virtual assistant. You will be answering phone calls, handling client inquiries, and provide customer service amongst other receptionist tasks. You will need good people skills since you will be working closely with customers, but all this can be done from your computer at home and it pays well. Number 10, become an online personal trainer. On the web, you can teach just about anything. If you're into fitness, this online job is for you. You can become a personal trainer from the comfort of your living room. A lot of people are looking for personal trainers online so they can work out at home. That means you can get clients from around the globe. Just find a way to advertise your service and start getting customers. This is great because of the flexibility with the schedule and prices. It's all up to you. Get working! Number 9, flipping for a profit. Flipping is when you buy low and sell high. You can do this online and with just about anything. You can flip furniture, clothes, even bargain items from your local Walmart. Finding something cheap and make it look nice. Sell it for a good profit and advertise it on sites like eBay or Amazon. You can set your own price and with that, set your own profit margin. The creativity to sell just about anything is a plus for many people. But what everyone truly loves is the money that they earn from flipping. Number 8, start an Amazon FBA business. Amazon has a program called FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon. This means you sell something and give your entire inventory to the Amazon warehouse for them to take care of. It is basically an online shop where you don't have to do any shipping. Find a niche and you can start earning big with an online shop. Number 7, become a virtual bookkeeper. According to Forbes, bookkeeping is one of the most profitable businesses out there. Bookkeepers can earn $69 to $82 an hour on average. This would be great to turn into an online business. To be a virtual bookkeeper, you need an understanding on data entry and financial records. Other than that, people will rarely ask for any certifications. Find the right clients and advertise your work. Just about anyone can hold this job. Number 6, design and sell crafts. Handmade crafts are always high in demand, so why not start selling some? Find your niche and start creating. Websites like Etsy are great for selling crafts. In addition, you can use websites like Redbubble if you would like to sell just a design and have everything else taken care of. The possibilities are nearly endless with this kind of work, so try it out and see what is right for you. Number 5, proofreading. Do you like reading? You can turn it into a job. Proofreading requires you to read and find grammatical and spelling mistakes in drafts of writing. This is a great job because there is almost always someone looking for a proofreader and you have flexible time schedules. You can also set a price, which you can raise once you start getting in more customers. It is a simple job and the money is worth it. Number 4, become a virtual travel agent. A virtual travel agent is just how it sounds, a travel agent that works remotely. You will be answering inquiries and helping with the bookings of flights and planning of trips. This can be a simple task, but it does take up some of your time. Like many other virtual jobs, this pays well. Consider this job if you love working in the travel industry, but want to do all of that work from the comfort of your living room couch. Grab a good headset and make sure your internet connection is stable and you'll be ready to work. Number 3, teach English online. Teaching online is very popular amongst people looking for online jobs. It is easy to find websites like Akadasok that are always hiring. The only requirements are a stable internet connection and a basic grasp of the English language. You can choose to do this part-time or full-time, and the earnings are huge. Teaching English can help you get an extra income or can even help you make your living. Number 2, sell clothes online. Online shops pop up all the time. You can buy just about anything online. Many trends come and go, but clothes are always in demand. You can use sites such as Etsy, eBay, Depop, and even Amazon to sell your clothes. You can thrift for cheap clothes and sell higher to make a large profit. Many have figured out that they can earn a living with just this as a job. Whether it is new or secondhand clothes, they are bound to sell. And at number 1, become a dog walker. Dog walking doesn't sound like a job you would do from home. Well, it really isn't, but you can advertise a dog walking service from home. There are plenty of websites out there, such as Rover, where you can find local clients. Use the internet to get clients and set your schedules. This is a great starter since you won't have to fully commit to the work at home lifestyle. It can also be highly lucrative. Thanks for watching. While you were here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.